So we should have to keep the ideal ratio of NPK. And for that, before sowing of the crop, we should have carried out the soil analysis, and whichever nutrient is deficient or medium, that nutrient we should have to add in soil, and the nutrients are suppose rich, then we have to apply only 20 to 25%. Overuse and underuse of fertilizers. Overuse of fertilizer, particularly nitrogen, may lead to nitrogen deposition. Chronic nitrogen addition may increase soil nitrogen mineralization. So don't give burden to soil. Whatever the requirement of the soil, that should we have to add. Excessive use of nitrogen fertilizers lead to soil acidification. A negative soil health trait has led to imbalance in nutrient availability. Underuse of fertilizer means that soil nutrient exported with crop are not being replenished, leading to soil degradation and decline in yield. Soil degradation means the soil become saline, then alkaline condition, or even your soil become the acidic. And you know that in soil degradation, then the crop productivity has been declined. Why test soil health? So here during the corona, we have testing the corona-19. Similarly, here we are also carried out the water test. So soil health can be tested by chemical test. It should be chosen based on production system, the basic parameter pH, nutrient status, pKmg, and soil organic matter should be tested regularly. The farmers are adopting intensive farming. Use of high analysis fertilizer means urea, DAP, single super phosphate, muriate of potash. That is called high analysis fertilizer. The particular one or more nutrients are greater in amount. But in a manure, the nutrient content is low, and use of very small quantity of organic matter. Because you know that farmers are using only 1 to 2 ton farmyard manure per hectare, but the actual requirement is 10 to 15 ton per hectare. The soil showed multi-nutrient deficiency, therefore there is need of testing soil periodically. So you have to monitor the soil at soil testing laboratory. So you can see here that indiscriminate means more use of unbalanced fertilizer, now multi-nutrient deficiency. In 1950 year, only nitrogen deficiency we have observed in our Indian soil. In 1960, the deficiency of nitrogen and iron. In 1970, nitrogen, iron, and zinc. But at present, 2010, we are observing the deficiency of nitrogen, iron, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, manganese. And at present, and if you are not carry out the soil analysis, then only we are apply the nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium only, then there will be possibility of the deficiency of the multi-nutrient deficiency in 2025. So you will observe the molybdenum deficiency, boron deficiency, and so on. So decline nutrient use efficiency. So I told that the farmers are apply the imbalanced fertilizer in soil without carrying out the soil analysis, and they are applied as per his wish or the advice of the fertilizer merchant. And you can see from 1970, the fertilizer response is greater, but at present, the fertilizer response is declined. I remember that previously, a 1 urea bag is sufficient for 0.25 hectare of land. But at present, we should have to add 2 bags of urea in the similar area, 0.25 hectare. So welcome to Sevama. Agri clinic and a laboratory will ensure you always get the best results. So it is our laboratory, Sevama Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory. So soil testing, the practice of soil sampling and testing will help the farmer to know exactly what nutrients are required by their farmer. Having in mind the soil type and its nutrient capability will help one to know what kind of crop to grow and kind of pest to use during pest and disease control. So carried out soil, water and plant testing for plant nutrient as well as plant disease diagnosis, bacteria, fungi, and nematode from soil and plant sample at our reputed laboratory, Sevama Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India. The website is sevama.in. The other firm is Mati Agromart Private Limited, Bhavnagar, and the website is www.matiagromart.com. So please contact helpline number +91 63 59 59 59 59. If you have any problem related to nutrient in soil, or if you have low crop productivity, or if you have the problematic soil, either saline alkaline soil, then please contact me. My name is Dr. P.C.Patel, and I am working as Chief Soil Health Specialist at Sevama Agri Clinic and Agri Laboratory, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India. So soil sampling procedure for chemical analysis. So we have to draw 15 to 30 centimeter depth soil because soil is heterogeneous. So we should have to draw the 15 to 20 places or from 1 acre land. Then after that, here you can see awareness creation on sampling. They are the farmers. Then collection of soil from pit. Then preparation of composite samples. Then you watering and